What's up, Dream Media family? This is Zach, and I'm out here with my good friend Will from JVC, and today we are going to be breaking down their brand new model. They've released two models. We got NZ500 or the RS12000. We also have the NZ700. Sorry guys, I'm working on the models.
Also known as RS2200.
Beautiful. So in today's video, we're going to break down the technical specifications of this brand new model.
So this is obviously comparing to our old NZ7. We're replacing that in our lineup.
And that was a big seller for us.
Absolutely. We've changed the chassis completely. All of the internal components are brand new, but the price point's staying the same at $899.95, which we're excited.
Nice.
We've doubled the native contrast, 80,000 to 1 compared to the previous 40,000.
Wow. Native contrast.
Yes. This is all native 4K. World's smallest, actually, at 33 pounds, brand new chassis. We've got 2300 lumens, which is an improvement over the 7 as well. We still have our frame adapt HDR, our generation 2 of that built in, our brand new vivid picture mode, and deep black tone control. To me, I think this is one of the best value projectors that we offer.
Absolutely. This has been one of our best sellers, and it was kind of a bestseller for the reason that it was laser, right?
Yeah.
So now I'd love that you guys introduce the 500 model for my customers that want laser but don't want to quite step up to that. This is an absolutely phenomenal unit. I don't think it can be understated how rich the black levels are in JVC, guys. The D-ILA technology and the frame adapt HDR. You don't have to get a Mad VR. Yes, we're a Mad VR dealer and we sell the Envies with a lot of other projectors, but with JVC, right out of the box, you get rich, super inky black levels and very dynamic, rich, vivid colors. We actually made another video that we compared the JVC NZ900 versus the Sony 7000, and it was mind-blowing to see them side by side. You had a professional calibrator, outside third party, calibrate both units to make sure it was fair, and it was apparent how crucial the frame adapt HDR is in those darker scenes for HDR.
Especially in the darker scene.
Oh my, it was just, you couldn't even see the picture on the Sony in some of those demo scenes.
Truly, to kind of match on the HDR side, if you're watching SDR content, that's really why we added this new vivid picture mode as well.
Yeah.
Really bringing the colors into a brighter spectrum, popping.
All right, Will, thank you for giving us the lowdown on this incredible new projector. If you guys have further questions about JVC or anything technology related for your home, reach out today for that free video consultation. Our specialists are on standby, ready to answer all your questions, as well as curate a package specific to your exact room, your needs, and budget. If you like this video, be sure to give us a big thumbs up, and do not forget to smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media, out here with Will from JVC. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.